Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's vlog is going to be an interesting one. Yeah, you can see someone in the background, right? Yeah, today I decided to cook. So I've been wanting to cook since I came, but I've not cooked because I'm like, let me just wait after the exam, then I can cook. And you guys know, or maybe I've never showed you guys, we have a chef in the house, the almighty chef, who is coming to help me today as we cook. We are going to cook together, and then we'll be chit-chatting how the clinical method, or how the 1 month of clinical year has been, and yeah, just chit-chatting. So drum roll, I introduce you to Eva, Chef Eva.
Hello, team. I'm excited to meet everyone online.
Yeah, welcome to L&M Space.
Yes, thank you very much, L&M.
Yeah,
so today we are going to learn a lot. We are preparing
your signature stew.
Yes, which is corned beef stew
with vegetables. Yeah.
Then we have palm nut soup as well.
Yeah.
And the last one
is what? Garden
eggs too, yes, for sure.
Yeah, garden eggs. For the palm nuts, I boiled the palm, pounded it, and then brought it. So we are only going to add the hot water and, mix it and strain it, and then we use it. So yeah, come along with us. Yeah, make sure you watch this video to the end. Yeah. Okay, so you guys, let me show you the ingredients we are coming to use. So this is what's this one? I think this is corn dough. This is corn dough. I brought it from home. Yeah. And then this is cassava dough. This is cassava dough. This is the palm nuts. This is blended pepper, ginger, garlic, onions, and yeah. So I bought yam. That's what I'll be using to take the stew, the garden egg stew. These are garden eggs. So we have bell pepper, and then we have here carrots. Yeah, these are carrots. This is the tomatoes we'll be using, which is a lot. And this is meat. This is 2 pounds of meat. Yeah. This is fresh salmon. No, it's not fresh. It's smoked salmon. 2 salmon for the garden egg stew. Yeah. And the meat will be for the pounds. And corned beef. This is the Ezeta corned beef. Yeah, basically that is our ingredients. So let's start cooking. How has clinical year been so far? I think we started in January, right?
Yes,
5th
or 8th.
5th, but we started school 8th.
Okay.
Yeah. And today is what, 5th February?
Yeah.
So it's like a month now.
Yeah.
How has clinical year been?
Clinical year has been like a different learning experience for me.
Okay.
And when we were in pre-clinical, we used to read a lot in the books.
Yeah.
But now the thing is right in front of you, demonstrate it. Yes, so it has been a different learning experience, and I think I'm grateful for it. It makes me build confidence every day that I can become a good doctor, and I really appreciate it. What about y'all?
So for me, clinical year has been, how do I put it? Personally, not all of us, personally, a lot has been going on. So when school resumed, I didn't even come the first week. A lot has been happening, so I'm stressed and all of that. I came to school just up and down, all of that. So I've not really settled in for the first 2 weeks, and then I think the latter 2 weeks was okay. That's when I kind of settled down, and yeah, so far one thing I can say is it's disorganized. I don't know, I dislike the fact that we come in, we don't even know what we should do. We are just all about the place. Before, this one is asking, should we go to the ward, should we go to the here, should we go here? But maybe it's just the beginning. So I'm hoping maybe with time, with the proper timetable and everything, things should fall into place. Aside that, the one thing I like is, pre-clinical, most of the things we're learning were theory. Now we are seeing it, like this is clubbing, this is cyanosis, like this is like I'm seeing it and I'm like, wow. it's so interesting. Like you're actually saying it's no more like reading from the book. Like it's nice, yeah. So I like that feeling. That So now let's talk about the challenges that we've been facing
in clinical.
year. Let me start.
Okay, start. As I think about mine.
Yeah, let me start. One thing is that you guys, they've grouped us into the A class and the B class. The A class is the regular students. The B class is the mature students, right? So now that we are in 4th year, both regular and mature students have combined. And all the 100 and whatever are to clock those few patients we have. So after like that patient has spoken to 2-3 students, you the person that is coming, let's say you are the first student, when you come, hello please, my name is Esther, 4th year medical student, I want to take his
they've been here already.
Like they are tired. They are tired of always giving us their history. Like, you know, we have to collect them, take their history, why they are here, ask so many questions. So imagine a patient that is not feeling well, who talk to this student, who come and talk to this student, who come and talk to this student. By the time you get to your turn, forget it. So it's difficult getting patients to clerk. It's also another thing. Okay, let me not finish it.
We come at 8 o'clock and sometimes we have to leave by 4, and that's a lot of hours for me. Right? And so when I come home, I'm tired, and I'm also not a ninth learner. Yeah. So I have to sleep during the night, wake up at dawn, try to learn something before going. So
the next day you have to be
it's very stressful. And you know, on the ward you have a lot of things to learn. They'll ask you, what is this? What are the symptoms of it? What are the signs of it? You don't know. So you always have to be trying to catch up with fresh knowledge.
It's stressful, you guys.
So it means the learning, the fact that we spend like longer hours on the ward. I wish there would be some breaks for us to do our own learning during the day, like a learner like me. I wish maybe there was a brief, maybe say 2 hours, you use it to learn something small, and then
I think we had that in preclinical.
Yes, preclinical. Yeah, we had a lot of that break. So that's the only thing.
So yeah, you guys. One thing I also like is the 1 hour lecture. It's so cool. Like preclinical, we'll have 2 hours, and then if we don't have anything after that, the teacher can extend it to 3.
Yes.
Like we can be in the class.
And even preclinical, we used to have a lot of 2-hour lecture on the same day. So like Monday.
2 hours, then 15 minutes break, then the next lecture, 2 hours, 15 minutes.
And which is our day 7 o'clock. The memories are just coming. The memories.
Like, hey, we suffered.
Yes, 7 o'clock tutorial presenting.
It's
too
much.
I miss tutorial. I miss tutorial. Oh God.
Yeah. Oh, I'm sure you guys are. Those that are not in UDS will be a bit confused. Yeah. I'm sorry, you guys. We are just reminiscing everything, you know. So yeah.
So I think the tutorial is just a time when we meet in student groups with an assigned tutor, and you are given topics to read about. So you come and you present. It lasts for 2 hours.
Yes.
Yeah. So from 7 to 9, we are done with the tutorial session. Yeah. So that's about the tutorial.
Yeah. So yeah, that's it. So we are just happy that in clinical year, our lecture timetable, the lectures are just 1 hour, just an hour, 8 to 9, and it's not even 7, it's 8 to 9. It's so cool. Like that's it. Before you get to your maximum attention limit, the lecture 2 is done. So everything is okay. Like it's actually quite like it. Then after that, we go to the ward. Then you stay. Hey, you will stand, and that's another challenge too.
Yes.
You will stand, you guys. I nearly collapsed the other time. Like it was too much. Anyway, so we are done with the garden egg. We are going to put it on fire. On my socials, I want to be very consistent this year on YouTube and on my social platform. And I want to get to 10,000 subscribers by the end of 2024. We are already at 8,000, so it's just 2,000 more. We can do that, right? So yeah, I have to be consistent. So yeah, if you are watching and you've not subscribed, kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So now the meat is ready. Like we are about to steam the meat. This is a blended spice. I told you guys already. Tend to add like I think the wheel adults will be okay. Yeah. So let me just add the rest. And this is our salt. So I just add this quantity of salt. I'm not a chef, you guys. Ima is the chef. So, but he's holding the camera, so I have to do that on his behalf. Yeah. You guys, you like my spice bottle? It's so cute. I have a lot of this. I showed you guys the China Mall unboxing video, so you guys have seen it already. Anyway, so this can go on the fire now. So our garden egg is ready. We are coming to grind it, not to be very smooth, just 1 to 1 to, you understand. Then we can start making the stew. Yeah, it's okay. So our first batch is ready. The consistency is great. Inside, did they teach you how to check for consistency? How? Oh, okay. He said we should do like this. So this is the surface, to check for the surface, and then consistency first. Okay. And he said this is hard, firm, soft.
Oh, okay.
Is that how they taught you guys to? And I think when I was at to one other lecturer also said this is firm. Like when you do like this consistency is firm. But the urology lecturer, the resident, he's a resident, he said you just do hard, firm, and then soft. Yeah, so Chef Ima, I want to know something. Have you always liked cooking?
Okay, so cooking is not something I really liked while I was growing up. Though my mother used to take orders for people, she used to cook. So I saw the cooking being done in the house, but I was not interested until when I moved to Volta region to go and do my national service. And I was like, hey, I've seen this thing being done in the house, but I've actually not tried it. So then I had to start cooking up by myself. So when I'm cooking, I'll call my mother for the recipe.
Wow.
So with time, as I did it every week, so every week or every month, I purposed to try something new. Yes, and even when I did it and it didn't turn out as I wanted, I didn't give up. I was still buying new ingredients, try it again, and I think with time.
And then now, dear, hey, our food, hey. Oh, very nice, very nice.
So it's just consistency. So everyone watching us is consistency. Don't give up. Just keep trying until you become the best.
So the guys, please, you've heard it. Ima is cooking, so you the guys, you can also cook. It's not just ladies that have
Valentine's Day is coming, guys.
Yeah.
Cook for your ladies.
Yeah.
Cook for them.
Yeah.
Cook for them.
Yeah. Yeah, so let's all learn how to cook. Yeah. Cooking is nice. Yeah. Doing it with someone is nice, but doing it alone, I don't like it. But yeah, doing it with someone is nice. Yeah.
This is our blended mix, and then we allow it to fry for a while.
So you guys, it's currently 4:27 and we've been cooking since 11 a.m. Came back, started cooking, and it's 4. So we've done almost everything. Like, I'm so tired. If not for Ima, I don't know. I'm so tired. Yeah, so I think this will be the end of the video. I'll just show you guys what we've done and then we can end the vlog here. So Ima, thank you for coming on to Ewenam's face. We appreciate you, and we hope to see you another time again.
Yes, and thanks a lot for having me, fam.
Yeah,
I'll be seeing you guys.
All right, guys. So let me show you the food before I sign out here. So you guys, this is Ime's signature stew. This is corned beef stew with vegetable. I think the vegetable is small. What do you think?
Yeah,
I think it's actually small this time, but anyway, it's still good. It's still looking good and tasting good. And this is the garden egg stew. I've divided it, and then we have our palm nut soup on the fire. The size of the pot is quite a lot. Yeah, that's the palm nut soup, and yeah, we are done. Yeah, so basically that's all. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in another video. Bye. Come on, let's say bye.
Bye
Bye, guys.